Dry, dull, weak, split ends. This is usually common when we've just removed braids. She just removed braids that stayed for about 3 months or so. So we need deep conditioning and protein treatment. For that, we're going to first clarify, and that's the clarifying shampoo that we are using. So you start by wetting your hair so it makes application of the shampoo easier. Clarifying removes all the unwanted and allows room for moisture, treatment, and all the good things that we would want to put in our hair. Now you may go for 2 to 3 washes depending on how dirty and greasy your hair is. So now follow with a deep conditioner to restore the lost moisture. In this case, I'm going to use okra. It is readily accessible and affordable here. Otherwise, you may use aloe vera if that's what's near you. I soaked okra in hot to warm water to quicken the process, so it gives me that thick, slimy texture. Okra is a great moisturizer that will increase elasticity in your hair, make it more manageable. It's a great conditioner, gives slip to your hair, the course reduce hair loss. I'm going to mix this with gelatin. I get mine at the grocery store. So gelatin is rich in protein, which helps to make hair stronger. It restructures it. According to research, gelatin improves hair thickness, growth, and in the course, slowing hair loss. Now this is free from all the harsh chemicals and high price tags that commercial brands would give. Do you think so? Let us know in the comment section. So we are going to let this mixture sit as we clarify our hair. Remember, we already clarified hair. Now it's time for protein treatment. We're going to apply this in smaller sections. Simply grab a section of hair and work it in. For proper moisture penetration and proteins bonding with hair, you could use a plastic cup and sit under a hooded dryer. So she's going to sit here for about 15 minutes, and that's what we have. Okay, so if we were targeting protein treatment, then we would have some hardening. The protein would harden. But since we're more into moisture, I mean deep conditioning, so we see more of moisturized hair. Next, rinse gently with lukewarm water, making sure that all the protein is rinsed out. Don't use shampoo. So apply our cream to condition, make it more manageable, and put it into this big twist. So basically what I'm going to do is cut the split ends, trim the split ends as I twist. Cut the split ends of each section that I'm going to twist. So I did this off camera, so I'm basically going to show you. Take the left strand A all the way to the right, crossing it over B and C. Then take the new strand on the left, which is B, also all the way to the right, crossing over C and A. Now you'll notice that C is the new strand on the left. Cross it over A and B. Continue with this motion until you reach across the ends of your hair. As you get closer to the ends of your hair, you'll notice that you can't continue with that 3-strand twist. So simply coil or twirl the rest around itself to seal your twist. And you are done! Love. Can you just take a moment and enjoy this twist out? Your twist out looking like this after. We're talking about a month, and